Hi guys, I wanted to talk just a little bit about your sharing settings for your Google Docs where you are creating your puzzles and you want to share those so that anybody can see them that is going to be participating in your breakout. So what you want to do is you want to go up here to the share button. You'll notice I have this shared with one person, but we need it to be shared at a wider audience. So we're going to click Get Shareable Link. And right now mine says anyone at my school district can view it. That's not quite good enough if people in Pennsylvania want to see it. So we're going to use a drop-down menu. And I'm going to go to More. And honestly, I could change it to anyone with the link. Anyone in the world with the link can view it. But I tend to just put in public on the web. Just because I like to open it wide open for some of my puzzles. So I'm going to change to that. I'm going to hit save. And now this is the link right here that I can create a short URL out of, or I can hyperlink from my website where I'm trying to direct you to the puzzle. So anywhere that I'm trying to put this link to the puzzle is where I'm going to put this particular hyperlink. Okay? Now, I want to mention that this particular strategy, that works for slides, docs, sheets, and drawings. Okay, all of those work the same way. Forms are different. So I know you're going to be using forms as well, a lot of times as a lock, kind of your lockbox, your digital lockbox, but they don't work the same way. Forms by default, the actual public view of them is it already exists because that's what they're for. So you don't actually have to share this form in order for people to submit it. If you share this, it's called Add a Collaborator, and sharing somebody on a form gives you other people that help create the form. Okay, that does not mean people that can fill out the form. So the link that you want, if you want to send the link somewhere, you want to click on the eyeball and preview it. This is what my finished form looks like. This is the URL that I'm going to grab from up above. Okay? So forms work a little bit different. If you're going to put this on a Google site, you won't need anything. You can just add it. You won't need a link at all. And if you are going to put this on another site, then you could go to the send button. And if you click on this right here, the funky carrot symbol, this gives you your embed code. And you can use that on any website creator and embed your form right into your website. So that's kind of how you share a form versus a document.